Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, DIY with Knick-Knack, where no mess is too big to clean up. First of all, I am so glad you all are here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, I really do appreciate it. I wanted to share with you guys an old Valentine's Day DIY that I did last year using Dollar Tree hearts and these wooden plant support sticks. I actually purchased these wooden plant support sticks from the 99-cent only store. I believe they were only $1 or maybe $1.49. They came 10 in a pack and I felt like it was an extremely good deal. What I like most about these sticks is they were super easy to cut and they were a great support for this project. Although I was not able to record the entire process of how I created this DIY, I did use the same structure for the back as I did for the sides. If you have any questions about this DIY, definitely leave a comment down below. As you can see, I use a mix of the Dollar Tree cubes, and later I'll also be using the Dollar Tree tumbling tower blocks. The reason why I used the both is because I didn't have enough of each of them, so I just decided to mix both of them in there. I would say I do prefer the tumbling blocks from the Dollar Tree for this project just because they're longer. Here's what it looks like right before I stained it. And here's the final look. I used a dark walnut to stain it and it came out beautiful. And it's actually really sturdy. Sincerely, thank you all for taking the time to check this video out. I hope you like it. I hope you try it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, God bless you.